So what are we having for dinner tonight?
Shepherd's pie.
Shepherd's pie.
Yes.
Yum. Oh, I do love your shepherd's pie.
No. I thought that would be your pick.
Adele gave me a couple of choices, and yeah, it was shepherd's pie, and it would take about an hour.
Yeah,
or
something quick and easy like tacos or savoury mince and rice.
Yeah.
Which I would have quite easily had.
But I went for the hour.
Yeah.
Because I do love this shepherd's pie. So what's happening here?
Just browning the mince and onion. Got the potatoes on to boil. And I'll just make this into a savoury mince. Put the savoury mince into a loaf cake tin with mashed potato on top.
What's the loaf cake tin made out of?
Silicone, so it's easy to get out of. I don't use any pastry, just put it straight in, mince in straight into the cake pan, mashed potato on top, and put it in the oven.
Very cool. So what have we've got onion already in there?
Yep, and I'll put some garlic salt, crushed garlic, a bit of taco seasoning and sauce and herbs and tomato sauce, and just make it into a savoury mince before I put it in the oven with the mashed potato on top.
Okay.
Voila.
My favourite part, the tomato sauce.
And just a bit of this, no, nothing measured, just in it goes.
So how's it coming along, Dale?
Yeah, just waiting for the potatoes to finish cooking. I'll mash them with a bit of butter and milk and garlic salt, and I can put it in the loaf in the oven.
Okay. We don't buy the most expensive mince, do we?
No.
We buy fairly cheap mince.
It's just a way of saving money on the road.
How much do you pay for your mince?
$7 a kilo.
Sorry?
$7 a kilo.
Okay.
Ready to put in the oven. Got a bit
Sounds
of
good.
turmeric on top. And I'll just wait for the veggies to cook, and about 20 minutes and we're done.
20 minutes?
Yep.
Yum. Looking forward to it. So, how did you learn to cook?
I bought a microwave when I was very young. And
What's very young?
I don't know, 18 or so.
Yeah.
And when I was still living at home, and learnt to cook with that.
It was a convection microwave.
Yeah.
It's the same one you had when we got married, and we had it for like decades.
Yep, and then had another one or two since. But yeah, I just learnt through that, and Mum teaching me things.
Your mum taught you heaps?
Yeah.
What about school?
Oh yeah, I did the
Home ec, wasn't it?
yeah, day-to-day cookery books, always handy. I've still got it in the cupboard as well.
You've used the recipes a couple of times, haven't you?
Yeah, no, it's a good one.
So, Mum, was your mum always good at cooking?
Yep. Yep.
So you didn't starve when you were kids?
No.
So Mum taught you heaps about cooking. Yep. You did some from school, and you enjoy it?
Yeah, I like cooking if I know what I'm doing. If I know what I'm going to cook, if I'm having to think, oh, what are we going to have? It's a bit of a chore, but apart from that, it's good.
Well, you never have any problems with Matt devouring anything that you cook.
No, Cameron's a fussy one.
Yeah. And when we first got married, I was pretty fussy, wasn't I?
Yeah, you went very well. I don't know.
Didn't have much expansion to my taste buds, did I?
Yeah, so we moved them a little bit further than what they were.
I was
and
sort
put
of
on
like
a little bit weight while we were doing it.
Yeah. We steak and veg was about my go-to, wasn't it?
Eating 3 veg. So,
yeah. And then we had photos taken.
On our first anniversary.
Yeah, first anniversary. We were
like
so
pies.
huge. I reckon it's the fattest I've ever been.
Yeah, I don't know.
Somehow, I don't know how, but we lost our weight again, and yeah, but you were cooking something very cool back those days, so making all
Trying to
sorts of things.
impress
Was that what it was?
new husband, I don't know.
You
That's
did
30
very
years
well.
ago.
You did very
Times
well.
have changed.
Oh, I don't know. You haven't quite come out as often on our trip with all your jam drops and chocolate chip
did
cookies.
At the start, yeah.
Yeah.
To do them. We can't eat them all the time, otherwise we'll still be widening our waistlines.
Might have to make up a few. And although you like the muffins now.
Yeah, I like the muffins.
Yeah.
Usually make the muffins to use up bananas, and now I've got that new recipe. I do the raspberry and blueberry and strawberry muffins.
Well, you never know. If you're watching this video and you end up camped up beside us, you might get to taste some of Adele's yummy muffins and jam drop. What were they? Jam drops
Biscuits.
and biscuits, yeah, and different things that you make. Anyway, okay, on with dinner. Another 15 minutes to wait yet.
Hopefully. Looks like it's ready. Just a matter of heating it up, making it a little bit crispy on top, and now to get it out. Hard part. And a bit better.
Yummo.
So, shepherd's pie with carrots, broccoli and some sweet potato chippy things.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit!